Well, here it is. My 2021 Tesla Model Y Performance. It's finally here. And I say finally here, in reality it took 30 days to get this guy. I put the order in inside the dealership on August 8th, I believe, and it was at my doorstep on September 9th. That is a ridiculous amount of time, a short amount of time for a car to show up. And to say this thing blows me out of the water is an understatement. Compared to what I had previously, my first video, I'll put a card at the top for my Dodge Challenger. That video was a sign-off to a car that I've had for so many years, for almost a decade. And now I've transitioned into this electric vehicle that is a toy that can kill you. That's the only way that I can explain it to my friends. It is a toy full of gadgets, Easter eggs, and everything you can imagine, but on a car. 4 wheels get you from destination point A to point B. And it's amazing. I have been a electronic freak for as long as I can remember, to where I need the latest and greatest gadget. And to me, this is just another gadget. It has now fulfilled a part of my life that I guess I've been needing this whole time, where I'm now no longer dependent on gas. I just back it up into my garage, plug it in, and I'm good. My daily drive, I'm not spending more energy than I should. Now, in this part, I'm going across the bridge, and this is one of the very first times that I was messing with the Autopilot, and it was terrifying. It was a straightaway, and I just didn't really understand how impressive it is. I don't have the full self-driving. That was a bit more than I could afford right off the bat. I may do a video for some road trip in the future where I pay for it for the month and just test it out. But with the Autopilot alone, it handled so well for curves, speed, braking with traffic, almost an understatement on how well it worked. In the process of making this video, I also added a GoPro to try to get a little bit higher quality videos to show off, and that's what some of this is mixed in. Is I'm really just trying to show what the car can do and how it drives around and how it feels, and it's like driving a spaceship. I mean, I really can't put into words. I keep trying to explain it, either it being a toy that can kill you, it can be a spaceship. It's night and day. I've got another video coming up that I'm going to post about some accessories that I've added onto the vehicle, and I'll show the struggles that I've had with installing some of them. So I'll post that here soon, but I'm just going to do a little bit more of this video here in the next little bit. There's a spot to where I test out the 0 to 60 again, just in this little back corner where there's no traffic, and it is gut-wrenching on how fast it is. To say that you're screaming and then instantly turning into a schoolgirl giggling is about as accurate as I can get on the sensation. You feel it in your stomach, and you feel the blood leaving your brain a little bit. It's ridiculous. But that's about it for this video. I'm just going to do a little bit more shots of me driving around, and then just, me backing up in my garage. It's nothing fancy. I'm packing up right now to go on a road trip to Phoenix, so I'm going to film all of that, and post it on YouTube after I get all the edits. This took me a little bit longer than I was expecting, and I'll get better at getting some better shots. And yeah, here's the spot right here to where I pull up and I stop for a minute, and then I just gun it. And man, you can even see the car lift up. The torque is instant. I understand how now people eat through tires so quickly in this car, because You just want to constantly do that. But enough for me. Finish out this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe and like.